We all love Coca-Cola. That perfect combination of sweet, refreshing flavor accompanied by that sparkling fizz makes each sip an exquisite experience, and for many, almost irresistible. In fact, as you watch this video, you might already be craving to open a nice cold can. But wait a moment. Have you ever wondered how this drink is actually made? Behind every Coca-Cola is a process that might completely change the way you see it. Coca-Cola has always strictly guarded both its formula and its production process, which is why, over the years, countless myths and theories have emerged. From its mysterious secret formula to accusations about the use of ingredients you'd probably rather not know about, it's even said to contain additives and chemicals that make us addicted to its unmistakable taste. But how much of this is true? What really goes on behind the walls of Coca-Cola factories? Don't worry, today we're going to clear up all these doubts. In this video, we'll take you on an exclusive and detailed tour of a Coca-Cola factory, where you'll learn about the entire production process from the inside. We'll reveal, step by step, how each bottle is made, from mixing the world's most secret concentrate to the moment it reaches your hands, ready to be enjoyed. After seeing what truly happens in each phase of production, it's likely that the next time you drink a Coca-Cola, you'll see it in a completely different way. So, get comfortable and prepare yourself, because we're about to unveil all the secrets behind the iconic taste of Coca-Cola. Let's begin. Coca-Cola was born in 1886, when pharmacist John Stith Pemberton in Atlanta created a medicinal syrup sold in pharmacies as a remedy for headaches and digestive disorders. Its original formula included coca leaf extract, which contained small amounts of cocaine, and cola nut, rich in caffeine. Back then, cocaine was a common ingredient in medications. Over time, the Coca-Cola recipe has evolved, and although it remains one of the best-kept secrets for over a century, much of its ingredients have been deciphered. But now you might be wondering, am I consuming cocaine every time I drink a Coca-Cola? The answer will surely surprise you, so I won't keep you waiting. Let's find out. Step 1. The star. Ingredient. Everything begins with Coca-Cola's main and fundamental ingredient, water. But we're not talking about just any liquid. Water is the heart of the drink, and its treatment is essential for achieving that refreshing, unique experience we all love. Did you know that something as common as water can make all the difference in Coca-Cola's final flavor? The water used in Coca-Cola's production is sourced from carefully selected local sources, deep wells, natural springs, or municipal systems. However, it's not enough to simply extract it. It must go through a rigorous process to reach a nearly perfect level of purity, becoming the ideal base for the beverage. First, the water undergoes a coarse filtration process where physical impurities such as sediments and sand are removed. Next, it is filtered through activated carbon, a crucial phase that eliminates unwanted odors and flavors, ensuring that the water has a completely neutral taste. The next step is reverse osmosis, and you may be wondering what this exactly entails. Well, it involves advanced filtration technology that removes more than 99% of remaining impurities such as minerals, salts, and microorganisms. This process turns the water into a true blank canvas, ready to receive the flavors that define Coca-Cola. Finally, the water is balanced with specific minerals to achieve the perfect composition and the appropriate pH level. This adjustment is key to ensuring it can mix perfectly with the other ingredients, providing the ideal base for the magic about to unfold. Now that the water is pure and balanced, it's time to reveal the most famous secret formula of Coca-Cola. What ingredients make it so unique? Let's discover it. Step 2. The secret formula. Here we are. We have arrived at the heart of Coca-Cola, the essential component that gives life to the beverage and distinguishes it from any other. The secret formula. This formula is not merely a mixture of ingredients. It is the true essence of Coca-Cola, a closely guarded enigma for over a century, known only by a few privileged individuals. Although the exact recipe remains a mystery, scientific studies have managed to decipher most of its components. The Coca-Cola secret formula includes purified water, sugar, caramel coloring that gives it its iconic color, phosphoric acid to balance the sweetness with a tangy touch, caffeine, natural flavors, and a decaffeinated coca leaf extract. But don't worry, this extract has been processed to completely eliminate any psychoactive components, leaving just a subtle hint of flavor. So, technically, while coca leaf extract is still present, you are not consuming cocaine as such. You are simply enjoying a highly controlled and safe version of it. Once we have all the ingredients, they are carefully mixed in large tanks under strict controls, creating Coca-Cola. Now that we've revealed the key components of the secret formula, it's time to see how it transforms into something even more special: the syrup blend. Step 3. The syrup mixture. Now that we know the ingredients, it's time to see how they transform into Coca-Cola as we know it. The process begins by mixing the flavorings, sweeteners, caffeine, and phosphoric acid in large tanks. This is the base that, once fused, will combine with purified water and sugar to form the syrup that gives rise to the unmistakable Coca-Cola flavor. The type of sweetener may vary by region: cane sugar in some countries and high fructose corn syrup in others. While this difference can create subtle variations in taste, the recipe is calibrated with absolute precision to ensure that Coca-Cola is always recognizable, no matter where you consume it. Here lies the secret. The exact blend between the sweetness of the sugar and the acidity of the phosphoric acid is one of the secrets that makes Coca-Cola so addictive. This balance is what makes each sip leave us wanting more. Once mixed, the syrup is prepared in stainless steel tanks, ensuring that each batch is uniform and meets the strict quality controls that characterize the brand. With the syrup ready, the next step is one of the most important: carbonation, where Coca-Cola acquires that refreshing fizz that we all love. Step 4. Soda production. One of the most iconic aspects of Coca-Cola is its bubbly effervescence, that refreshing fizz that makes the drink unique. But how do they achieve those perfect bubbles? The answer lies in the carbonation process, where carbon dioxide is added to the beverage in a precise and controlled manner. The Coca-Cola syrup is mixed with carbon dioxide at high pressure, allowing the gas to dissolve in the liquid and generate the characteristic bubbles. This process is carried out at low temperatures, ensuring that the gas remains in the beverage until the moment you open the bottle or can, guaranteeing that each sip is as refreshing as the last. Carbon dioxide not only contributes to the fizziness, it also influences the flavor of Coca-Cola by adding a touch of acidity that balances the sweetness and enriches the experience. Imagine a Coca-Cola without bubbles. The drink would lose much of its magic and simply wouldn't be the same. Once carbonated, it's time for the last step before it reaches your hands: bottling and sealing. This ensures that each bottle retains its freshness until the moment you enjoy it. Step 5. Bottling and sealing. Once carbonated, Coca-Cola is ready for one of the most impressive and crucial stages: bottling. The Coca-Cola production lines are a true engineering marvel, capable of filling up to 2,000 bottles per minute. But how do they maintain quality and consistency during such a rapid process? The key lies in the rigorous quality controls applied at every step of the way. Whether in glass bottles, plastic, or cans, each container is filled and sealed instantly to preserve the pressure of the carbon dioxide and ensure that freshness and fizz reach you in perfect condition. This sealing process is vital for keeping the effervescence and flavor intact until the moment you pop the top. Next, the bottles move along the labeling and packaging line, where the iconic Coca-Cola labels and nutritional information are applied with precision. Every detail matters to ensure that the product not only arrives in perfect condition, but is also ready to be enjoyed with the same quality anywhere in the world. This step is the final touch that ensures Coca-Cola maintains its maximum freshness and characteristic fizz until the very last sip. But wait, there's still one crucial step before you can enjoy it. Step 6. Quality control and distribution. How is it possible that every bottle of Coca-Cola you consume, no matter where you are in the world, always has the same unmistakable taste? The answer lies in the meticulous quality control process and a top-tier global distribution system. Each batch of Coca-Cola undergoes rigorous quality testing to ensure that carbonation, sweetness, and acidity levels meet the exact standards of the brand. But it's not just machines and technology at work. Experts conduct daily tastings to ensure that the flavor profile remains consistent. Here, nothing is left to chance. The temperature, time, and every small detail are monitored to ensure that each bottle of Coca-Cola is as refreshing and delicious as the last. Once it passes quality control, Coca-Cola is ready to reach consumers with one of the largest distribution systems in the world. Coca-Cola is shipped to over 200 countries, from major metropolitan areas to the most remote locations on the planet. This extensive logistics system ensures that each bottle maintains the same freshness and quality throughout its journey. And there you have it, a nice cold Coca-Cola with that perfect fizz and its unmistakable balance between sweetness and acidity. Now you know all the steps involved in making a bottle of Coca-Cola, from the pure water and secret formula to the ideal carbonation and the rigorous quality control that guarantees its unique flavor. However, while Coca-Cola is a refreshing and delicious beverage, it's important to remember that its consumption should be moderate, given its high levels of sugar and calories. Consuming it frequently can have negative health effects. Knowing the entire process may change your perception. Now, every time you drink a Coca-Cola, you'll appreciate everything behind it. And perhaps you'll think twice before consuming it. Let us know what you think about Coca-Cola now that you know all its secrets. Will you continue to enjoy it the same way, or with a bit more moderation? Leave your response in the comments.